I want to go with balayage, like blonde-ish color, like or brunette. But I'm not sure if it's gonna get to that color because my
Blonde.
hair is like black, you know.
A blondish right away.
Yeah,
Very confident.
yeah. And like I've dyed here, like the bottom just was in high school. I dyed it like red color and it's kind of bleached.
Okay.
But that's the only thing I've done besides.
But you
like,
have dark
henna
color
too.
on the top.
Yes, it's henna.
So you have
Yes.
henna,
Yeah, that's it. No box back.
red from the back, and you
Yes.
want blonde.
Yeah. Or brunette if that doesn't
And your
work
hair is
out.
very thin and fragile and can break easily.
Yeah. I'm not having my expectations too high because
Okay.
I know might not get to that color.
When's the last time you done color for your hair?
August or July. I did henna,
Okay.
black one.
So basically, this is the only part that's virgin. Everything else has henna or color to it.
I would say all. Yeah. Because I did all of my hair. Like,
Do you have a picture of something that you like?
so I was wondering if you could achieve that color.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah. I know.
I'm a little bit speechless now. But
Okay. Yeah.
okay, we have two options.
Okay.
No third one.
Okay.
The first option is I will do a test on one piece here,
Uh-huh.
see how much lighter it's gonna go, how
Okay.
much red is gonna turn. Then I will color it. Then I will tell you this is the maximum we can get,
Okay.
which means we'll do a full bleach.
Okay.
I will do it on the sink. I will not do it here. I will dump the bleach everywhere for 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
So within 2 minutes, the bleach is all over your hair.
Okay.
We'll wait 5-10 minutes, then wash it, then come back with whatever we can achieve.
Okay.
Most probably, you're gonna land on a little bit light chocolate if you're lucky, and there will be a red reflection to it.
Oh,
This is
okay.
all gonna come from the henna and the color that you have in the hair.
Yeah.
The second option will be we do not touch the color at all. We put one layer of a lighter shade cape-in extension or a clip-on. This way your hair on the surface will remain the same. Then you will have some strands of lighter ones coming through the ends.
Okay.
Now, to cut our doubts with the color,
Yeah.
we have to do a test.
Okay.
I will do a test first, so me and you, we know if there is potential to lighten the hair or
Yeah.
no. And if there is
Okay.
a potential to lighten the hair, what are those maximum potential and how your hair will react.
Okay.
Because usually when the hair is very thin and fragile, I have to be careful when a client wants blonde.
Okay.
But there is one thing I'm sure that this color that you're asking for, we're not gonna reach it.
Okay.
That's 100% sure.
That's okay.
Unless you wanna walk out of here with short hair.
No. No, definitely not.
How much we're cutting?
I would say like around here. Like here, yeah. I want layers. Yeah. Blow up.
Okay, let me do a test first,
Yes. Okay.
then we can carry on with this consultation.
That's
Alright?
right. Yes.
Let's put the expectation in the right place.
Okay, you're right.
My expectation and your expectation.
Got it.
So
Thank
this
you.
way I'm fair with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank
This is the natural one on the top.
Yeah.
You can see how much it got lightened. It gets really chocolatey and has a bit of mahogany. Not too red, but it's mahogany.
Yeah.
I haven't applied even color on it. So this is from the bleach, this is how it looks.
Okay.
Yeah, so if we bleach it, before even applying color, we're landing on more or less this shade, it's chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay.
This is with the bleach. Maybe mixing the two options that I offered at the beginning. We bleach the hair, we remove all that dark, and then I will color the top closer to this. Then we finish and we can mix it with something similar to what you asked for
Yeah.
earlier.
So would that be option A or B?
Both.
Both?
Both. If you want to feel a change from top to bottom, we strip the dark color from everywhere
Okay.
and then we add the lighter one. Or we keep your hair color combined with this, but I don't know if you're gonna feel the contrast is too much.
Yeah.
It's an option, it's nice too if you don't want to add any bleach and wait for a few years till your hair grow. Because if we don't bleach, you can still get away with it because your natural hair is dark. So you can leave your hair without coloring for almost 5 years or 6 years till your natural hair grow. And whenever you need a change in the color, you change the tape. So the only difference between option 1 and option 2 or combination, in option 1, we change the color to chocolate and we keep it chocolate. Option 2, we keep it dark and we add some color to change in the color.
Okay.
Option 3 is to mix option 1 and option 2. We turn it to chocolate, then we add with it some lighter ones. The contrast here will be not that much comparable with the contrast over there. If you like the chocolate, then we can go with this now and later you reevaluate.
Okay.
If you felt you need a little bit of lightness, we just add a few just to break the color at the ends, make it slightly lighter.
Yeah.
This is what I would recommend.
So, I have a question. Are we able to like do like light brown? Like since you say you're going to chocolate color, right?
This is what you
So
can
it
get.
won't achieve to that color, is that what you're saying?
This is what we get. This is what's gonna be.
gonna happen.
This is the lightest color that you will achieve. We're talking about this.
Like that. I'm not sure, honestly.
And this color doesn't need to start from the top.
Yeah.
It can start from here only. So it means I'll bleach the hair from here down
Okay.
and then blend it with your natural. So the color will start from your natural, then change to this shade after a couple of inches. So start dark, which is your natural, and then shift to this.
Okay. So is it possible, since I don't want it that color exactly, maybe we could go with like light black, because
And you don't need to do anything.
I don't know.
If you don't like this, then you don't need to do anything. If you like, you want off black, like slightly lighter than this,
Yeah.
then I will cut whatever need to be cut.
Okay.
I can do a treatment for the rest of the hair. The treatment will strip the black from the hair a little bit, so your hair will become off black. So instead of lightening the hair with a bleach, I will do it with a treatment. So this way the ends will become more softer and will remove
Okay.
the black feeling from the ends. How much? I don't know. That's the only issue when we rely on the treatment when the hair is very dark.
Okay.
If the hair would be medium, I know the treatment lightens 1 or 2 shades. But when the hair is very dark, almost black, it will just make it off black. It will just soften the darkness out.
Let's go with that, with the treatment.
It's a healthier option.
Yeah.
You don't risk your hair. And as I said, you could add we have all kind of colors. Even if you want to add blonde, the picture that you showed me earlier,
Yes. But how long would it like last in there?
you can use it for almost 7-8 months. Every 2 months, you remove it and put it back.
I'll just go with the treatment.
So with the treatment, remove this feeling of blackness, cut the rest of the hair, and that's it.
Yes.
Okay? Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So after we started washing the hair for the antifreeze hair treatment, the client decided to change her mind and go ahead with my original plan of bleaching her hair to remove the black color in one visit. What you see now is the results of the bleaching. The hair hasn't been cut yet because I was still busy with another client. At the end of this video, you will see the hair after it's been cut. However, the color may look differently at the end of this video because it was late when I returned to cut her hair. The lighting in the salon is not strong during the night, so the color is not as visible as you see it now.
We done everything on stages today with you. A million. Bleach, no bleach. Treatment, no treatment.
Yeah.
Test, yes.
Yeah.
You made your mind at the end.
Yeah. It's my first time, that's why. All good?
Good. Great. Thank you for your vision today. I mean, I'm glad you wanted to go shorter because that length all the way to here was too much.
Yeah.
And we're doing all this bleach. I don't know if this ends would survive.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very good. Ready. Thank you, darling.
Thank
You were
you so
great.
much.
Thank you.
Thank
Have